Hi guys, it's Shipface here, and this is this week's cruise news. The first bit of news I've got for you guys this week is that Carnival Jubilee is hitting a big milestone in its construction. It's getting the Bolt Sea Coaster put on top of it. It's already on Mardi Gras and Celebration, and it's a fan favourite for celebrity. I really want to try it, but Carnival don't really go from Southampton. I know they did with Celebration, but that was just a straight transatlantic. So yeah, it looks really cool. I'd love to be able to do it, but yeah, it looks really cool, and yeah, they're installing it on the Jubilee. Ruby Princess has got damage going into the port of San Francisco. No injuries were reported, and that the ship is fine. It docked. It got a bit of damage while docking. All the passengers got off safely. The new ones came on, spent the night, and now it's doing a revised itinerary, 7 nights, and it will be returning to San Francisco on the original date that it planned, the 16th of July. This week in my Cruise Ship Mary beer collection, I'm going to show you this Anthem of the Seas inaugural season cup, because I'm going on Anthem of the Seas next week. I'm very excited. Next Friday, I'll be setting away on a 2-week Mediterranean cruise. I'm going to be bringing you guys lots of content from the ship tour when I get back. I'm going to be filming it for the 2 weeks. I'm going to be doing room reviews. I've got quite a lot. I've got a balcony cabin, an accessible junior suite, another balcony cabin, and I've got an internal as well. So that's 4 rooms bringing you from Anthem of the Seas. So stay tuned for that and review and whatnot. The review for Embassy Virtuous is coming. We just need a day off where we're both off at the same time so we can film it. So yeah, I'm very excited. I did Anthem of the Seas for 3 nights on its inaugural season in October 2015, but I'm very excited to go on there for 2 weeks and actually try everything, because there's so much to do on Anthem. We didn't get to do it all. We didn't get to see a show in 270. We did most of it, but it was all very rushed. This time we can take 2 weeks. We can do everything without going, oh, we got this today, because we have to do it. So I'm very excited to be trying Anthem of the Seas again. So yeah, stay tuned for lots of content. Royal Caribbean looks like it's bringing a new ship to Southampton in 2025, and it is looking like Independence of the Seas, which I'm very excited about. If you've been following the channel for a while, I love Indy. Ship I've sailed on the most. I'm actually going to Miami next year to do Icon, and Indy's there. I'm doing that as well. But yeah, coming with the news, it looks like it's coming from Southampton. It's booked in Gibraltar, and if it's normally booked in Gibraltar, it's more likely 9 times out of 10 going from Southampton. That's how they get to the Med. It's booked in there 3 times over the summer. So that is about how many 2-week cruises they do. So that makes sense, and it would be nice to get a new ship. Well, not a new ship, but a new, not Anthem of the Seas. Okay, like I said in my previous news thing, I haven't done Anthem of the Seas a lot, but I just like Independence of the Seas. So it'd be a nice, good refresh for it to come back to Southampton after so many years as well, because yeah, it's been like 4 years since it's been here. So it'd be nice to get a new ship. And with Independence coming back, you never know, we might get another ship as well. Because when we had Independence, we always had like an Explorer or an Adventure or Navigator. But it depends. They just need to bring 1 ship to Southampton. Obviously, there might not be the sales for 2 ships, especially with the pricing that they're selling at the moment. So yeah, it is very interesting, and it will be announced later this year, like November, December time. So we can't get full confirmation until later this year. Norwegian Cruise Line has cancelled an Ireland cruise. It's going to go to 7 stops in Ireland, but it's completely changed and will not be going there. The basic only thing to stay the same is that it's going from Southampton to Southampton. It's now changed it that it's going to Germany, Sweden, Norway, Denmark, and Netherlands. So it's completely changed. It's due to their tender policy in Ireland that you're not allowed to use tenders from October to April, maybe due to the weather. So yeah, they were going to go to, I've got the list of ports here: Waterford, Dingle, Galway, Killieburg, Belfast, Dublin, Cork, and just 2 of them were, it says here, were tender ports. So due to those 2, they've cancelled the whole cruise and changed it all, which if you're booking a Pacific Island cruise, it's literally only going to Ireland, and it's completely changed, I think you'd be a bit annoyed. It doesn't say anything here about any like cancellation policy. Because if they change it that much, surely they've got to reimburse people or say you can have a full refund. So yeah, very interesting to see how this one plans out. For the second time in a year, Celebrity Cruises has increased its gratuities. I've got the list of the prices have gone up. So inside ocean view and veranda cabins, we're paying $18 a day per person. Concierge class and Aqua class will be paying $18.50 a day per person. And Retreat will be paying $23 per person. Now, because it's gone up twice in a year, these are the rates before the first increase. So you were paying $15.50 for standard rooms. Concierge and Aqua class, you were paying $16, and Retreat, you were paying $19. So that's a for like Retreat, that's a $4 difference, and when you're paying it per day per person, that is going up quite a lot. And again with 15.50 now 18, that's a I'm trying to do quick maths in my head while filming. This isn't good. £2.50 per day going up. It just seems a lot, but yeah, hopefully it won't go up anytime soon again, because 2 in a year is a lot. So we'll keep an eye on Celebrity and see if they increase it again. That is all the news I've got for you guys this week. Thank you so much for watching. It's very much appreciated. If you like what you see, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Very much appreciated, and it really does help me out. I'm also on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And now I'm on that new Threads. Is it Threads? I don't even know what the name of it is. I'm also on that as well. Link will be on this. Well, it'll be linking it. Go on Instagram and then press the link on Instagram. That'd be easier. So yeah, I'm also on that now. Facebook or Meta, or whatever the guy is, competition for Twitter. So yeah, interesting. So I'm also on that. Thank you so much for watching. It's been Shipface here. I'll see you guys in the next video.